Hi guys, I'm Kajal Khanna. I'm the business head for Travel Engineers, a product of Khanna Enterprises, which has had its legacy in the travel trade for the last 45 years. And today we're very happy to announce our brand new website, which is travelengineers.com. So today I'm going to take you through exactly what the features are of the website and what was the thought process behind launching this website. So before we started working on this, we spent about 2-3 months in just understanding the consumer behavior. We have tracked the user journey right from the point of when he aspires to travel to the point where he's actually confirmed his booking. And on the website, you will see all those features have been very subtly plugged in. So let me just take you on to what exactly the features are like. So on the website, you can see there are multiple options that we have incorporated here as far as finding the right destination for travel is concerned. One could go and just straight away click on a destination, pick any continent in the world and pick any country within that continent and just start planning their holiday. What they get is a whole lot of information right from, like for example in Australia, they have all the information about what are the highlights of Australia, what are the cities that one can cover there. And after that, we also have an option where one can actually open up the itineraries to see what are the combinations that you can do with Australia. So for example, our first option is the Great Barrier Reef and Sunshine Coast. Each of our itinerary is uniquely themed so that it kind of catches on to the mood that the person is in when they want to travel. So with Australia itself, we've got the Great Barrier Reef and the Sunshine Coast, which covers the Sydney-Hamilton route. We've got people who are into a lot of wine, so we've given them an option of exploring the vineyards of the wine regions of Australia. Similarly, we've got an option which is very highly sold option of Australia being clubbed with New Zealand. Now one can actually click on each of these itinerary and actually go through a full detailed idea of what exactly this itinerary is about. So you get to know what time of the year is a good time to go, how many days are you looking at staying over here, what is the price, so you will indicatively know what's the kind of money you're looking to spend in that particular itinerary. At a glance talks about what overall you're looking at in this itinerary, plus then it takes you on to a complete detailed itinerary, day on day, what are you doing, what are our recommendations, where you should do what excursion, all of that is covered here. So after this, we obviously have like a whole slideshow of pictures, which is the case in each and every itinerary. These are hand-picked images, and there is a special thanks that I'd like to give to all the tourism boards who have really come back to us and supported us with this amazing content. When you see these itineraries or when you see these images, you can literally imagine yourself in that destination, and that's what we've tried to achieve over here. And like I mentioned earlier, we have consciously tried to capture the consumer journey right from the point where he aspires or daydreams to travel. So there's always this thing of maintaining a bucket list, and it's very rarely that you really remember when it's the point of traveling that where is it that you wanted to go. So to keep the engagement on the website and not just make it another information platform, we actually have a feature called Bucket List on the website. Now how Bucket List works is that you could actually create your own login ID and over here. Sorry, I just... Yeah. So with this login ID, it will give you a complete personalized wish list, bucket list that you like, where you want to travel. You can actually browse through the website. There is no part of the world which is not covered on the website, whether it's South America, Iceland, whichever part of the world. So one can actually go onto the website, look into an itinerary, just browse through all the content, and if there's something that they really want to do or they think that they would want to keep it in their bucket list, just a quick click will help you just add this particular itinerary into your bucket list. What happens is then you have your own personal dashboard, which gives you all the list of places that you aspire to go to. So here we are trying to capture the consumer at a point where he is not yet sure where he wants to go, but still wants to have multiple options and things that they can potentially do whenever they are ready to travel. Besides this, once they are ready to travel at that point of time, they can quickly click on travel here next. When they do that, it automatically adds this particular itinerary of whatever they have shortlisted into the upcoming travel plan. Upon giving me their number, We instantly, travel engineers connect with them and we start planning their holiday. What happens here is, with the kind of information that we have here, we've actually helped the consumer decide the destination and potentially what all they can do, and we've given them all the information which probably we would have taken 10 to 12 days otherwise, helping them decide the location or helping them decide the kind of costing that they're looking at. And then further on, once the person has traveled, they can actually come back and they can just click on the itinerary as traveled. When they mark it as traveled, it automatically goes on their traveled list, which means they will know that which time of the year they traveled. They can share their experience on social media, they can email it to a friend, they can write us a testimonial, and that's how we've kept the engagement going. Now with this feature, we are able to help you plan your holidays better, because a lot of times what happens is there are destinations that you want to go to, but when it's a couple of months later, when the time really comes, you thought about something in winter, summer is when you travel, you realize that it is too late now. You've forgotten half of the things that you had thought of doing. So here is that one platform where we can help you plan your travel bucket list here. And it's also a great way to engage with our audiences. So this is where we are actually capturing the audience at the first phase itself. Then the content on the website is supporting this entire feature. So like I said, we've got destination, which covers the entire world. We have also identified experiences. So now in experiences, what we've done is we've tried to capture not the generic experiences like family holidays and honeymoons and all, but we've tried to incorporate stuff like which is in demand right now, like bachelor and bachelorette. I know for a fact that a lot of people are constantly traveling and they're constantly looking for ideas for their bachelors and bachelorette. We just wanted to enable that experience for them. So we've got ideas here, what they can do, where they can go. So just for example, if you click on bachelors and bachelorette, it actually tells you what you can do, and we've tried to capture from the guy's side, from the girl's side, what are the things that they can do, whether it's Thailand, whether it's girls trip to Bali, or whether it's just a boy gang going to Almaty. And obviously, just like any other itinerary, you can click on it and you actually get to know exactly what you're looking at. You can see the pictures, you've got full idea about what you're expecting about this from this trip, and then you can obviously read through it. You've got an indicative costing right here, and some experiences which are curated for that particular experience that is plugged onto your itinerary. Similarly, the other experiences similar to this that we've covered on the website is beach getaways. Celebrating a milestone is a very new thing that we've introduced. People are constantly there's this new trend of wanting to celebrate your big milestone, whether it's a 25th birthday or 25th anniversary, 40th birthday. So we've suggested you ideas over here as to what is it that you can do. Do you want to go to a vineyard in Tuscany with your close family? Do you want to do like a cruise in Egypt? Or do you want to just celebrate it amidst the sand dunes in some desert in Abu Dhabi? So we've got a whole bunch of ideas happening there, and we've collaborated with our partners who can plug in an experience that can be curated for that person. Similarly, on our other experiences that we have, we've got family, honeymoon. We've got this really cool thing called Offbeat. Offbeat actually covers destinations which are new and upcoming and are really like adventurous in its own way, like the Eastern Africa, Nairobi, Peru, Brazil, Argentina, Iceland. We've got Scandinavia here. So these are destinations that very rarely people like to travel to, are very offbeat. And again, then we've got wine trails, we've got road trips and self-drive. So these are some really cool experiences that we've incorporated, and this again was thought through after we had interacted and monitored a lot of our conversations with our clients, and we figured what is the requirement. I mean, it was not always about a honeymoon or a couple traveling or a family traveling. There were certain requirements, so we've kind of put that into experiences. Experiences also can be added to your bucket list. So when you're actually getting down to planning, you can always segregate between your itineraries and your experiences and always see what was you're looking at. We have offers on the website. I mean, while everything else is like starting from and it gives you an indicative pricing, the offers is something that you can literally see right from your complete boarding to your stay to your airport transfers. All of that is included here. So this is your complete cost. One can just refer to this. We keep plugging in costs and offers that comes from our partners here. This is for our clients to know that okay, this is something which is readily available, literally a phone call away, and they can just book it with us. On the About Us page, we've kept our introduction very brief. We've not tried to put a lot of details and gyan over here because we feel like people like things to be to the point. And so you can see all the numbers, you can see what are the reasons why one should work with us. So we've spoken about how our, what are the policies that we follow, what is it that makes us different from the rest of the world. So we highlighted all those points here. Similarly, so we've got methodology as to how do we work, what are the ways that we work. So we maintain utmost transparency from day one. We've ensured that our clients feel secure with us because we give them important information, like we make sure all your information is kept, with us safe and it's not being shared with anybody, because that's a very important thing nowadays for the clients. Besides this, we are in the process of developing our corporate page, which is, we realize that when a corporate comes onto this destination, might just feel a bit lost with all this rosy and funky pictures. So for the corporate, we'll be coming up with a more focused, slick looking page. It's currently under development right now. We just have highlighted what all we can potentially do for a corporate. So that's pretty much what the website is all about. I hope you guys all enjoy using the website, explore its features, and it'll be great to have you guys just have your experience with the website. Thank you.